Hi all, welcome to Microbiology Made Easy. So here today we are going to discuss about the microbiology model question papers according to the new NMC regulation, that is competency based medical education. So here today we'll give you the information about the model question papers. So the model question papers of paper 1 and paper 2. So I will give you brief information about this. So here it is a model question papers we are having for microbiology syllabus. We are having the paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 1 has the syllabus, that is we are having the syllabus general microbiology, immunology, infections of bloodstream and cardiovascular system, gastrointestinal tract and hepatobiliary system. So this is the syllabus of paper 1. So paper 1 has total marks 100 marks. So which is having the section 1A. The section 1A has general microbiology and immunology. So section 1A consists of general microbiology and immunology. So here we are having the section 1A has long answer question, so which carries 10 marks. So we are having only one question, that is 10 marks. So short answer questions we are having 6, each carries 5 marks. 6 into 5, that is 30. So 10 into 1, 10 marks. Then objective type questions, that is maybe ultra short notes or maybe in MCQs. So each carries 1 mark, that is 10 marks. So here the section 1A which carries 50 marks. So that is from general microbiology and immunology. So section 1B which is having infections of bloodstream and cardiovascular system, GIT, gastrointestinal tract and hepatobiliary system. So which is having section 1B also having the same 50 marks. So having the first same long answer question. So that is one long answer question, that is 10 marks. The second one, that is short answer question, that is 6 questions. Each carries 5 marks. So 6 into 5, 30. The next is objective type questions, that is maybe ultra short notes or MCQs. Each carries 1 mark, that is 10 into 1, that is 10 marks. So this is about the paper 1 model question paper. So here it is, the section 1A carries 50 marks, section 1B all section 1A 50 marks, section 1B carries 50. So total will be the 100 marks. So this is about the model question paper of paper 1. So next is paper 2. So paper 2 has the syllabus infections of skin, soft tissues and musculoskeletal system, central nervous system, respiratory system, GIT, genitourinary tract system, hospital infection and control, zoonotic and miscellaneous infections. So these all will be in the paper 2. So here paper 2 also having the 100 marks. So section 2A. So second paper 2A, that is the syllabus of section 2A is infections of skin, soft tissues and musculoskeletal system and central nervous system. So having the same, that is having the long answer question, that is one long answer question, that is carries 10 marks. The second one is having the short answer question, that is 6, each carries 5 marks. 6 into 5, 30 marks. So next third one is the objective type question, that is ultra short notes or MCQs. Each carries 1 mark, that is 10. The total will be that 10 questions will be there. The next section 2B. In the section 2B we are having the syllabus, that is infections of respiratory system, genitourinary tract system, hospital infection and control, zoonotic and miscellaneous infections will be there in the section B. So here it is also having the long answer question, that is one long answer question will be there, that is 10 marks. The next is short answer question, that is 5 marks each, that is 6 number, that is 6 into 5, 30 marks. The next is objective type questions, that is maybe ultra short notes or MCQs. Each carries 1 mark, that is 10. So paper 2 also having 100 marks, that is having the two sections, section 2A and section 2B. Section 2A has 50 marks, section 2B also having the 50 marks. So this is about the new model question paper of the NMC syllabus, that is competency based medical education. So it will be like this. So this is about the question paper of paper 1 and paper 2. So thank you for listening my videos. Please do subscribe my channel Microbiology Made Easy. So here the next I will give you the information about the paper 1 model paper and paper 2 model paper. Thank you.